In this lesson, we're going to use everything we've learned so far to create a very basic chair. So first of all, let's delete the light and let's delete the camera. And we're going to keep the cube because that will be basically the starting mesh of our chair. So first what I want you to do is let's scale it down. So I'm going to press S and then Z because I want to scale it on the Z axis. And scale it until you have something that looks like this. Now remember I spoke about applying the scale of an object when you scale it. So if I press N to bring out this side menu, you can see that this object has got a scale of 1, 1, and then the Z scale is 0.166. So let's apply the scale so we have 1, 1, 1. So with the object selected, press Ctrl A and then select scale from the menu. Now you can see that our scale is back to 1, 1, 1, and that's just always good practice to do. So let's press N to hide that side menu, and with this object selected, press Tab to go into edit mode. Now let's begin with the chair's legs at the bottom. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press 3 on the keyboard to switch to face select mode, and then I'm going to select this face at the bottom. So we're only selecting the bottom face of this chair. Now we want to subdivide this to create more faces. So I'm going to right click, select subdivide, and let's expand the subdivide menu here at the bottom, and maybe let's increase the number of cuts to maybe 2 or even 3. So now you can see it's creating all these extra faces that we can work with. So now what I want to do is, still in face select mode, I want to select this face, hold shift, select this face, and this face. So those will be the starting points for the chair's legs. So with those faces selected, press E on the keyboard to extrude, and then just pull them down and click once you're happy with those extrusions. And there you can see we have the legs for our very, very basic chair. So next what I want to do is I want to create the backrest of the chair on the side. So there's a couple of ways we can do this. So let's subdivide this edge and this edge to create more vertices between them. So make sure you're in edge select mode or press 2 on the keyboard, and then select these two edges by holding shift. Then right click and select subdivide, and we only want to make one cut. So you can see that it's only set to one cut, and you can see that we've got that one cut going through. Now we can select this edge, and you can either press G and then move it on the X axis to move that edge around, or a simple way to move an edge is just to select the edge and then press G twice. So if I press GG, it's going to basically slide that edge. So just slide it back until it's about in that area right there. So now I'm going to go back to face select mode by pressing 3, select this face at the back, and then I'm going to press E to extrude. And then click once you're happy with that extrusion. And that's basically our very, very basic chair. So the secret with Blender is to always start with a very, very simple, basic, easy model, and then slowly work your way up to create more complex models. So once you're happy with your basic chair model, press Tab to go back to object mode, and let's rename our object in the outliner by double clicking it, and let's call it chair. Press enter to confirm, and yeah, that's basically our very, very basic chair model. So let's save this project because we're going to come back to this later in this course when we're looking at UV unwrapping and applying materials. So let's click on File, Save As, and then give it a name here at the bottom. I'm just going to call this one chair, and then press Save As. Now you can see that our project has a name right here at the top, and you can simply press Ctrl S or Command S to save your project. So congratulations with creating your first very basic object inside of Blender. Save your project now, and I will see you in the next lesson.